Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly film something that I've been thinking about lately. It's basically along the lines of building bridges with family members, especially extended family. The last few months have just been like a bit of an eye opener for me, and even while I'm talking to you about this, I'm going through this and I'm learning how to do this myself. So obviously I'd want to share that with anybody who would care to, go on the same journey with me or is currently going through a similar journey. I've noticed that it's really important to keep in touch with people who are not necessarily part of your nuclear family. Okay. I think when you start growing up, there's a tendency to sort of drift away from your nuclear family as well as your extended family, because you obviously start engaging with people outside of your home. You become friends with people, and you sort of wander off to wherever you want to go in the name of, I don't know, adventure, self-love, whatever, whatever your journey is really. And I think sometimes we forget what's home. We forget what's back there. We forget our past. We forget our history. And I'm not talking about, going back to the ends where, you used to live, or going back to your country to, learn a lot of stuff. Go back to something as simple as your family home, or where you grew up, or even go back to your parents. I think it's important to, get access back to some of the things that you used to know, like your family. They sort of anchor you a little bit, and going back to those places, sometimes you receive new love, a fresh perspective. I think you learn to reconnect with the people who used to know, who raised you, who built you up. And I think for me, the last few months have just been like a huge learning opportunity for me, and I've picked up so much, and I've learned to value all the people in my life that I don't want to say I lost. Sorry, my phone cut off. Yeah, I don't want to say that they lost their value to me necessarily, but like, I think I forgot who they were in my life. I forgot the contribution they've always made to my life and currently still making. And I think it's important that whatever I'm doing, I'm still building ties with people. I'm still building bridges to get access back to those people, so they can continually pour into my life, even as they learn, as they grow. Rather than, me wandering off to other places to seek knowledge, to seek counsel, to seek like good things. Do you know what I mean? It's found right within our home, and sometimes we forget what we have within our immediate surroundings. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about it. And I think for me, even saying this now, I realized that when we do stuff like that, when we build bridges back into our own families, into our own communities, or our background, or whatever it is, it heals us. It causes us to reparent ourselves. It causes us to gain a fresher perspective. Like I said, it improves who we are, and I think it like I said, it anchors us properly, and we know where we come from. We understand who we are, and to understand clearly what we are about, so that we can fully express ourselves as individuals and to develop properly. So I think if you're a person that's like, I want to cut this person off, that person is toxic, whatever, I just want to get rid of some people in my life, I think wisdom should have its place in your life. And you should know when and who to cut people off. I don't even think you should cut people off. I don't believe in that. I think you can take breaks from people in certain seasons, and at the right time you can reconnect or rebuild your bridge, and then come back together and, I don't know, press on for something new together, or I don't know, whatever you want to do really. But it's important that we bond well and with people in our past, especially our parents, our siblings, uncles, aunties, whatever. Church friends, even school friends. Those are very essential relationships, and I don't think God places those people in our life just for the sake of it. I think there is a reason why we're connected to these people right from the get-go, the beginning of our lives. And funny enough, we encounter them later and later on in life. So it's important that we build those relationships and try and really thrive in those relationships as well. So yeah, as always, I hope this video was a very good video for you, was a useful video, right? I should say. And I hope it blesses you and is useful to somebody pick something from it. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one.